Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. All of the viewers and the subscribers, them, all of the supporters, them. Yeah, enough respect, you know. All right, well, today now we do our next video. We do a backsplash. So basically I do right now is that I cut it out first. Cut out everything, then I start lay. So, I have all of this to cut out. Yeah, some of us are going to do some cutting out. You know, this side now, I cut out this side already. So as I say, I cut out and then I lay. So as I say, I cut out this one. All of this cut out. So after I drop on the top now, I have the side this one now for cut out. Yeah. So that I gotta do. And then what I gotta do with this now, the grill now. I'm going to take out the grill have to go, some adjustment I've got to do to it. You know, what I'm have to go drill back, cut off beside grill. What we're going to do in a window. Yeah, to give it a nice finish. So we don't want to leave it like this, well, you know, to cut around that. No, we want to give it a decent finish. So, as I say, take off the grill there. Same thing with this one. This is the same thing. I have to do with this. Take off this one. Yeah. So, basically I do some cutting out now. I cut out this side too. Yeah, that's the side I already cut out. Yeah, so I have all of this now. So still I go have the backsplash though. Yeah. So as you can see it, my people. Right round. Down this so. And then we have the highland where that I go do after. Yeah. So I try cut out them here first before me go to the highland. Yeah. So as I say, I go and do some cutting out. Yeah. So these are the tile. All right. Nice style, you know? So, all right, my people, so as you can see, I basically cut out. Yeah. So everything cut out here now. Yeah, I'm gonna cut out that. Cut out that one here. Yeah. Cut this. So that cut out. Cut out this. So I'm gonna do here now. I'm gonna drop them on. Yeah. So the only thing I have left to cut out on that one and another little piece. But what I'm gonna do is get in this first. You know, get in them two pieces the first. And then afterward you can drop in the little piece. The little piece I leave still. It's not really no problem. Yeah. Someone get in all of them now. Yeah. Right, I don't want to hold my phone and video because one day I'm going to go and place go work and then thief my tripod. I accidentally leave it at night. In the morning when I go back, then go with it. Nobody can get account for it, so, you know, we just call it a day. So right now I'm going to try again. I have to try to get one right there now. Yeah, that's me can set up my thing and go on video. Alright, my people, so as I say, I'm going to just start dropping some tile. Yeah, I'm basically cut out everything as you can see. Yeah. Alright, my people, so as you can see right now, tile start lay. Yeah, so I'm basically dropping them 2 tile around the sink. So, yeah, them 2 tile drop in. Fit back in the sink. You know, I'm going to take it out back still because it's just temporary, you know, just to make sure everything alright with the sink, that when you fit the sink, it's good. So, yeah, basically I lay now. As me tell them, I cut out everything already. Yeah. So, the laying process start. Yeah. So, them I have them to drop in. And I have the next side over there to drop in. Yeah. I never in trouble the Highland for. You know the Highland round, so that's a round cut, so try to get out all of them at first. Yeah. So as you can see, me start dropping. Yeah. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. As usual, you know, we can reason it out. So what basically I do my people is like, I paste the back of the tire. You know, kitchen counter. So these are like 12 by 4, 24 by 48. Yeah, nice porcelain tile. So you know, kitchen counter place to get enough happenings. You know, all type of things done on kitchen counter, chopping, everything like that. So yeah, I have the video already. So I'll leave this tile now. Alright, so I'm going to leave this tile here now. Make sure my kitchen counter level and everything like that. Yeah. No hill and gully, nothing. Yeah, everything perfect. Alright. So alright people, so now they know me go full the trim with some thin set. That means if you even chop on anything catchy or you know, you knock something on it, the trim not bend up. But most times it's some trim where like it really turn off people because the trim them bend, you know, people. That's why most people don't like use them. You won't be like this now. You know, full thin set so when anything catchy, it stays solid same way. Because the things that are really full up in the trim. So I don't like it, I will fall out. Alright, so as you can see the main thing I'm going to do right now, I'm just get the trim down on. in as much as I can get in right now. So we have fill up that one space here. That's chunky and volume good. Yeah, so what I do with this is like just clean it out. Don't never leave it overnight. And just clean out the trim space. So that means I'm not come now. The trim no hard to go in. Now I have to cut up the trim. So I'll sweep it back with something set. So pull up the trim then. As I said, when anything catch it not dent, then I just stay solid. So remember to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. You know? Always try to do a good job. So as I can see, full with thin set. So if you want to do some shopping and anything catch it, as I said, nah, go no. Oh, never cut that tree. What a mess. I'm gonna cut it. Never remember 7 a.m. What's that? So alright my people, so as you can see, the countertop basically finished. Yeah. Yeah, so the next step now is to the backsplash. Yeah. So as you can see, yeah. So all of them pieces they drop on. Yeah, this side is same thing. So Whole our countertop drop in. Yeah, all of them pieces go on. Yeah, sink part cut out and everything like that. So as you can see, 2-piece drop on the black splash already. You know? Drop on them the fine yesterday. So this now. Yeah, so as I say, everything drop on. Yeah. So just to grow up and thing like that. So I'm going to now start the backsplash. Yeah. So as I say, we're basically finished with this right now. Just to grow it up. You know. So the only part left now at the Highland where, you know, that round, so that is a task to itself. Yeah, so I'm going to line up and now see if I can just drop some tile on the backsplash now.